Using Google AdWords. Not knowing how to advertise on Google in Nigeria is undoubtedly one of the major reasons why many Nigerians, especially the internet marketers, and the small business owners, depend solely on Facebook advertising. Although, many people believe that advertising on Google is only possible for the big companies that are ready to invest a reasonable amount of money on PPC advertising, this is not true. Anyone can advertise on Google with any amount. In this short video, we will explain the requirements for running adverts on Google and how you can do it in Nigeria. By the way, what's Google AdWords? Let's quickly explain that. Google AdWords is the department in Google that handles everything related to advertising on the giant search engine, YouTube, and Google's display network. Unlike Google AdSense, which is a network for publishers, AdWords is the platform that allows people to advertise with Google, so don't confuse the two. Creating a Google AdWords account. Creating your Google AdWords account doesn't require any hectic process. Majority of internet users already have a Gmail account, but if you don't, simply create one, as it is the major requirement to create a Google AdWords account. Enjoying this video? Hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Let's continue with the video. Once you create the Gmail account, simply go to https://adwords. Google.com and create your AdWords account using your Gmail information and other relevant information you will be required to provide. Next is to verify your account so you can be eligible to run Google AdWords campaigns from your new account. The final step is to go to the billing setting and fill your billing information. Your billing information is the bank account you'd like for Google to bill. Obviously, you won't be able to run your ads without completing the billing settings. Now you are all set to run your first campaign on Google. Creating a campaign can be a little bit confusing if you don't know anything about AdWords. But don't worry, we have you covered with this video. Want to know how to create an AdWords campaign? Keep watching the video to the end to learn the step-by-step process. First thing is to create your campaign type. Here you select whether you are going for search network or display network. Depending on your budget, it is advisable to go for search network. Give your campaign a name and click to the next step. Next is to select your target location. At this point you have to select the locations where you feel your services will be needed, so it's up to you to identify those places. This way it is only people searching the internet from your selected locations through Google that will see your ads. This way you maximize your advertising budget and make huge returns. Set up your budget. In order to control the way your money is spent for your ads, Google allows you to set up a daily budget. When you set up this daily budget, you have set the maximum amount you are willing to pay per day on your ads, and Google will never exceed it in charging you. Write your ad copy and use relevant keywords. This is where you apply your sense of strategy and justify your investment on Google AdWords. In this phase you have the first, second and third lines to fill, and try to be as precise as possible with your product description and feature or offers. Set your maximum default bid. Your default bid, which is also known as your cost per click, CPC, is the maximum amount you are willing to pay per click on your ad. This part is very crucial. Each keyword represents a different market and thus has its attendant price. It is better to start with low-cost keywords if your budget is low. This way, you can ensure that your ad will be on display for 24 hours instead of just a few hours. By extension, if you use the high-cost keywords on a low budget, your daily limit will be exhausted quickly, having been seen by just a few people. Review the entire setup. When you are done choosing what you want for your ad campaign, it is necessary to go through your choices to ensure that you have done it right. Starting from your keyword choice, your daily budget, your CPC, your ad copies and everything else to ensure a successful launch. And the final step is to enter your payment information in the required field and confirm your payment. Now your setup is complete and you are all set to launch. Hope you have learnt the process, and we can't wait to see your positive feedbacks after using our methods on this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you are just seeing our video for the first time, and give us a like to help grow our channel.